Hey everyone, welcome back to Local Living. I'm Anna Christina, and it is time for Mortgage Minute. Joining me right now is Jeff Taylor. He's the branch manager out here at HomeStar Financial. Jeff, thank you so much for having me back.
You're welcome. Glad to see you.
All right, so let's talk about this because you have a lot of loans and programs that you can help our audience and our viewers with to come in here, purchase their home. Talk to us about some of the loans that you guys offer here at HomeStar.
Well, for first-time home buyers, we do participate in the Georgia Dream program, which is a state-run program that provides down payment assistance for people that don't have down payments and that kind of thing. We do participate in the VA loan program for our military, and then we have some non-standard loan products that we have for people that are self-employed, people that are trying to buy a lot of investment properties, people who are trying to buy condos that Fannie or Freddie won't approve. We have loans for that. So just a lot of good stuff.
Interesting. So you guys have obviously your standard loans, right? Which would be what again? Take us through those.
That would be a conventional loan.
Conventional.
FHA, VA, USDA. That's your core loan.
Your core, right? Yeah. And so when you talk about, you have loan programs as well that are specialized. Like you said, you do the Georgia Dream, but you also do self-employed people can come in and you have ways of helping them. Right. So talk to us about that.
So it's we call it our bank statement loan program. It's just for people that are self-employed because most self-employed people write a lot off on their taxes. And so to kind of offset that, we use their bank statements for the last 12 or 24 months. And that gives us a good cash flow picture of what their business is really doing from an income perspective, and we're able to use that as their income instead of what the traditional loans require from a tax return perspective.
Well, I think that is so important to know because again, a lot of people are leaning towards owning their own business. There's a lot of entrepreneurs out there that are self-employed, so that's important information to have because if you're one of those people, HomeStar can actually help you get into one of your homes, like you said, by not just having the standard loans because they may not be able to meet certain requirements.
Exactly right.
And so the Georgia Dream, I love that you are also involved in that because so many people are wanting to purchase their first home and maybe need a little help.
That's right. A lot of them do.
A lot of them do, right?
A lot of them do. That's correct. So, and you know, if you don't qualify for a USDA or a VA loan, then the Georgia Dream kind of fills that gap for down payment.
And how do you determine what kind of loan is right?
That's when we meet with our clients and we do an application for them. We check their credit and their financial picture, and then we kind of determine, you know, what type of loan program fits them the best. And then we determine what their buying power is going to be off of that.
Well, and then one of the other things that I want to mention, because you guys are small in comparison maybe to some others, but that hasn't stopped them because they've been #1 in several different areas. I think there's too many for me to actually remember.
Right. So we were, last year we were the #1 purchase lender in Georgia.
Wow. We've
been the #1 FHA lender for the last 4 years in Georgia. And for 8 years, we've been the #1 USDA lender in Georgia. For a small company, that's pretty fantastic.
Yeah, that is absolutely fantastic. And so when people are hearing that, that is amazing because they know that you guys are obviously, you know what you're doing.
That's right.
Right? Well, Jeff, thank you so much for having me. And you guys, if you need any more information, that information will be on your screen. So if you need to get in contact with Jeff, that's the way to do it. All right, guys, don't go anywhere. When we come back, we'll have more on Local Living.